What's up? I'm Jen. I'm from the Solve Chinese team. I'm here today to give you a quick rundown of our product and an introduction to our team. After you create an account and join your teacher's class through a link that I would have sent you, you'll be able to log in and you'll see this dashboard page. Down this section below, you will see all the assignments that the teacher has asked you to complete, and you can click into it and click on this button to complete the assignment. So looking at the overall structure of our website, you probably notice that it's similar to Quizlet. Down this section below, you see all the terms in the assignment, or terms in the vocab set, as we call it. And up on this section above, you can scroll through by clicking on these buttons to look at all the learning cards. So as a student, what you would do is you will click through all the learning cards and study the terms on your own, and afterwards, you click on this button to complete the assignments. As you can see on the progress bar above, I've already started completing the assignment. And you will just simply answer a series of questions about all the words you've learned. And after you've completed all of them, you would have completed the assignment, and your teacher will be able to see that you've completed it and all your learning statistics on their teacher's account. And that's basically all there is to our website. And now I'm going to talk a little bit more about the learning card over here. So on this learning card, the only information that you need to know are in this section. So it's just the Chinese, the pinyin, and then the English definition. The supplementary information include the example sentences, which gives you context, and something we call the word breakdown, which I'll show you in this word. Many Chinese words are made of multiple characters, and each of the characters usually have consistent meaning across different words. So what the word breakdown section does is that it breaks down every single word you come across into its basic character building blocks. As you can see here, we broke down the word television, 电视, into electricity, 电, and to look at, or vision, 视. And when it's applicable, we also add a memory aid section here to help you understand how the characters make up the word and to help you remember the word. And you can also go one layer deeper if you want to understand how the characters themselves are composed. As you may or may not know, just as Chinese words are made up of characters, Chinese characters are made up of radicals, which you see after you click into the section here. So, as you can see, the character 是 is made up of these two radicals, and once you click into the expand section for each character, you'll be able to see the radicals that compose them. And just as we did for the word, we also have a memory aid when it's applicable. And to clarify again, the only information you need to know in order to complete the assignment over here is the pinyin, the Chinese characters, and the English definition. You don't need to know any of these information. But personally, in learning languages, I've always found it helpful to know how a word is used and also why it is the way it is, instead of just purely memorizing it. So we're hoping that with these extra information, it will help your learning process get a little bit easier. And that's it. Thanks for coming to the tour. And a quick note that since our product is still under heavy development, by the time you actually start using the website, some visual details might look different from what it did in the video, but the big structure should remain completely the same. We're a team of college and high school students, and Solve Chinese is essentially our after-school project. The downside to being a team of students and not a real company is that we're less professional, and the product we've developed is going to have more bugs and maybe be harder to use than other products on the market. But we're hoping to make that up with our amazing customer service. Since we're not a company, we're also going to be more accessible. If anytime you meet a bug, you have a question or suggestions, you can just email us or you can tell your teacher to contact us, and we'll be right there to fix things with you. We're working hard to develop our product, so we welcome any thoughts, suggestions, criticism. Don't worry about hurting our feelings. Just think of it as you helping us to better understand you so we can better help you, if that makes sense. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you have fun using Solved.